Hola, feliz cumpleaños, señor Janeta. Hola, señor Janeta. Feliz cumpleaños, feliz cumpleaños, feliz cumpleaños. I'm so happy to shoot this video. Today is a wonderful day. I have a special request that I have to do a video for a friend whose birthday is today. Señor Janeta, Feliz Cumpleaños. I'm so happy for you. May the Lord continue to bless you and do your heart desires. Today, we are going to sing a special song for your special day. So get ready, Senor Janet. All right, let's get started. The Lord bless you and keep you. Make his face shine upon and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face towards you and give you peace. The Lord bless you and keep you. Make his face shine upon and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face towards you and give you peace. Amen. 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 May his favor be upon you and 1,000 generations and your family and your children and their children and their children. Amen. 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 He is for you. He is for you. He is for you and your children and your families. He is with you. Amen. 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 Feliz Cumpleaños. Thank you so much for your time, families and friends. And I want to sing a happy birthday to you, Senor Janet. Okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey. Happy birthday to you. Hey. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Senor Janet. I hope you are enjoying your day wherever you are, Senior Janet. Thank you so much for everything, for the love and everything. And all my subscribers, I thank you so much for your time. May the Lord bless you. And please, if you have any requests, just text me and I'll make sure to do so. May the Lord continue to bless you and bless you and bless you. Have a wonderful day. Please subscribe, share, and like. God bless. I love you guys. Bye-bye.